Gentlemen and ladies, it's totally unbelievable, but we made it. And as you guys can see right here, I've watched a lot of videos on cleaning shoes, getting them back to spotless, and they are way more stressful than it looks. But this very method you're about to watch right now is going to be one of the most best, easiest way to clean up literally any dirt. And the fun part is that I'm actually using a knockoff Chinese product, which I'm going to be reviewing to you guys in next video if you guys are interested. And I'm going to tell you how much which I actually bought it, and probably tell you where I bought it, with shops, because when you see some certain products, trust me when I say I have wasted more than $1,000 shopping for different kinds of steam wash because I want to go inside it. Why? Because my own kind of work, AC sometimes is a little bit seasonal, so I don't want to stay idle without working. So I want to explore some other multiple streams of income that is offline, and this one here got me to spotlight. And what you're going to watch in this very video here is going to change everything. So watch this very video to the end, and I'm going to tell you the magic behind what I did there that is not very obvious. Hello guys, welcome back to Techs and DIY. In today's very video edition here, I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform this shoe, I see that is this dirty, into this. Well, it's not going to be as difficult as it's going to look. I never believed this, but this is crazy, and I'm going to be showing you a lot of things about secret about this, how to restore your shoe or any dirt back to this clean. I've not done yet, but this is amazing result I've ever seen in my entire life, and I'm going to be teaching you guys step by step how to do this yourself. There is a cheat code, and you want to pay attention to the end of this very video. So without wasting much of your time, let me get you started from scratch. Then we walk you through the process step by step till you finish up. So
No way.
Let me give you details.
No way, bro.
There are
no
too
way.
many dirts on this thing here. Like, a lot of you will not believe that I can actually restore it back to how I showed you guys. Let me show you the other one again. So this, and trust me when I say the both of them are the same. Oh my goodness, this is unbelievable. And there is a lot of trick I'm going to tell you guys about this whole thing here. So if you're someone who loves cleaning things and getting them back to spotless, then you should be subscribing to my channel and have your notification turned on without wasting much of your time on this one, so I can perform the miracle right here so you guys can see it. Trust me when I say you're not going to be needing this, not at all. Those are the greens that are melting away like it's not a damn thing. Look at that. Gracious. God, yes, it's me. It's me. It's unbelievable, right? You gotta be careful with your hands. Okay, gentlemen and ladies, I lost power right here, and that's one of the biggest problem we are facing down here in Africa, which I'm certain a lot of the Western folks have hand in it in order to cripple our economy remotely. But you can see so far how incredible, how clean we're going already. So just in a little bit moment, we're gonna be back and everything is gonna keep rolling. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, this should be the time you're gonna subscribe to my channel. And we're back. Oh, just a little bit more time, just a little bit more time. So subscribe and give this very video a thumbs up if you're already enjoying the process. And trust me when I say there is a secret I'm going to be sharing with you by the end of this very video, so watch it till the end and don't skip a part. Now we are back, and the power is back, and you can see how blasting it is. And the crazy part of this whole thing here is this is actually a Chinese knockoff. After losing thousands of dollars shopping for different steam cleaner, I gotta catch a tree right there. I got another one. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe this. But like I said, if you need to know exactly the machine that I'm using here, well, you better watch this very video to the end, because I'm gonna be spilling the beans right in there. If I didn't forget, but you can see how it's really blasting everything. Like I say, if it's not a damn thing, this is something that if you want to wash it without this very machine right here, it's gonna be like near impossible. You're gonna suffer. You see that brush right there, that airbrush? You're gonna scrub, and you're gonna get really exhausted, and you are not gonna get half of the result which I'm achieving in less than the total time which I took to clean up this very sneakers is about 22 minutes. You can achieve that in an hour. You can achieve the half of what I achieved in this very video in half or an hour without using this very machine here. So it's just blasting. We're not just talking about only the external part, both internally, and trust me, those are the kind of secrets only few people want to share with you, because a lot of other big industries, this is the real commercial for the steam washer, and I'm certain that this is a marketing stunt. I am not paid for this, all right? I'm not affiliated with this manufacturer who actually built this. I bought it with my own money. Remember what I told you, I've lost a lot of money shopping for different steam washer, steam cleaner, but this one here was a game changer. And because I'm actually not affiliated with the company, it is my own risk that I take. So you guys are seeing so far how incredible this whole thing is working, and it's extremely hot, seriously hot, guys. This is not just a hot water here, this is steam. It is more hotter than hot water I can see. Oh my goodness, this is just so unbelievable, just so unbelievable and so magical. Look at it. So if you've already made it this far, go ahead and comment in the comment section what is the secret sauce. I'm gonna give you another password by the end of this very video, but this is the first password. What is the secret sauce? In the comment section right now. Oh shit, that's hot, that's hot. Seriously hot, guys. Seriously hot. But you guys can see how it's coming out super clean. Oh that was so incredible, guys. Just look at that. It is so refreshing. That is what technology should be. It should serve us, not enslave us. But it kind of been very funny. We're getting a German product and German product can't even measure up. I'm serious, that's my catcher tray right there. And I couldn't even measure up with this knockoff. That is freaking just blasting endlessly without even hesitation. That is something that knocked me out. Like, I never expected it could be this powerful and incredible. And so finally my investment paid off this time and kind of give me a whole lot of new level confidence to deal with car dirts. We're talking about, because my aim is to restore dirty cars back to spotless clean order. So if you are in Nigeria who you want a thorough cleaning of this level in your car, well, look no further, because I got your back. Abuja strictly. So, oh, that's very hot right there. Shit. So there is no limit of where you can actually push the gun and hit it from every side. Look at that end result. I'm yet to rinse it. You guys can see how spotless it is. From inside, everything looks very clean, and it's just unbelievable, guys. Just unbelievable.